In this video, you will learn how to download and install XAMPP on Windows 11. You can also apply this procedure if you are using Windows 10. Now let's get into it. To download XAMPP, we need to go to apachefriends.org website and download it. You will see XAMPP ready to download for cross-platform such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS X. Because we are discussing how to install XAMPP on Windows, we will choose the Windows option. When the download is complete, click on Open File. Just click on Yes when a user account control window pops up. A warning will pop up. This only means that we should not install XAMPP in the Program Files directory. Click on OK to proceed installation. The XAMPP Setup wizard will open. Now click on the Next button to proceed. Next, you will need to check the components you want to install and uncheck or skip as this is the one you do not want to install. You can see that there are some options that are grayed out. These are the options that are required to run the software and will be installed automatically. We can leave the selection to default and click on the Next button to continue. Now you have to select the folder where you want to install XAMPP. You can choose the default location and select the Next button to proceed. Now you will be asked to choose the preferred language between Deutsch and English. It is up to you which language you choose. I'll select English and click Next. Now on Next window with a message setup is now ready to start installing XAMPP on your computer as shown here. To proceed you just have to hit the Next button. Now just be patient and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, you will be asked whether you want to start the control panel now. Check the box and click on the Finish button and see if XAMPP is working properly. If the entire XAMPP installation process went correctly, the control panel would open easily. Now click on the Click Start button for Apache and MySQL. A Windows security alert will pop up. I usually don't allow XAMPP to communicate outside my PC and it's a good idea to only access it on the localhost. So I'm going to cancel this one. It's also a good idea to start Apache and MySQL when you start XAMPP. To do this, click on Config on the XAMPP Control Panel. On the Auto Start modules, check on Apache and MySQL and click on Save. As you can see, a window pop-up with Access Denied error appeared. Also, another error will appear when we click the Quit button on the control panel. To fix this, open File Explorer and go to XAMPP directory. Look for the XAMPP control application file and right-click on it. Click on Properties and go to Compatibility tab. Then click on Change Settings for All Users button. Check on Run this program in Compatibility for and check Run this program as an administrator. And then click OK. Now when we open XAMPP again, the error is now fixed. It will not appear again when we set Apache and MySQL to auto-start. Now open up your browser and go to localhost to access Apache web server. That's it. You have successfully installed XAMPP on Windows. That's all for now. If this video helped you in any way, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.